Hi, Sean Hess here with Hess Motorsports. Going to talk to you today about another one of our great new products for the Maverick X3 is our billet door handle. As many of you know, the factory car comes with a strap as a door handle. We machined a billet door handle that's a little bit more ergonomically friendly to open your door from the outside as well as the inside. We will be installing our billet door handle today, replacing the factory strap. The first thing you're going to want to do is take a Torx, a T30 Torx, and remove this screw to get this cover out, exposing where the strap attaches to the latch. Okay, once I've got the cover out of the way, I'm going to feed it through the strap and set it to the side. You'll need it to install once we put the new handle on. Now that I've got that out of the way, it's going to expose the rivet that the OEM uses to secure the strap to the latch mechanism. We're going to drill the rivet out and remove it. The rivet out, you'll have the strap loose. You can set it aside or discard it. And you'll notice we got a little bit of remnants left from the rivet here. The hole that the rivet was in, we're going to need to enlarge to 1/4 inch to allow our new handle to be bolted through. So you're going to just enlarge that hole. But first, we need to get a little bit of that remnants of our rivet out of the way. Okay. Now we're going to enlarge that hole. So once I've got the hole drilled, you may have a burr on the backside. I recommend taking an emery cloth and getting that off so that it doesn't hinder the motion of the handle to the latch when we bolt it all up. And this has got a burr on the backside. I'm just going to sand that off very carefully. Once we've got the hole enlarged, you'll notice our handle has a boss, a machined boss that's threaded. That is going to come in from the back side of what we just drilled, and the bolt will bolt through it. Before you put this on, you need to fish it, the handle through the cover, which is a little bit tough, but it will go. Okay, you'll have the cover on there like that. Now, what I'm going to do is, like I said, this will be kind of loose to my cover, and I'm going to put my handle through the hole I just drilled out. And you might have to move this up to do so. Makes it a little bit easier. Okay. Once I've got that started through there, I'm going to take my supplied bolt, and I'm going to want to apply blue Loctite. A little bit will do. And I'm going to start that. Now remember, this is bolting into aluminum, so be careful as to not strip the bolt. So I'm going to use a 4mm Allen hex to tighten this. You'll notice that I am using a hand driver so as to not put too much torque on this. You'll want to thread that through, and it will pull the boss up through the steel part of the handle. Now, that feels a lot better. Okay, once I've got that, I'm ready to fish my cover back into place and install my 30 Torx bolt back. Now, you're going to want to work the handle a little bit and get it to work freely. As you can see, we got it working freely. And now, as you can see, there's your finished product. You can reach up, just grab the handle by hand, and open the door. Makes it really nice reaching in the car. Grab the handle, you just 2-finger grab it and open and close it.